The UK is planning to acquire the Nomad and the Dragon armored vehicles from Nurol Makina via its UK subsidiary, NMS UK. The Nomad, based on the NMS 4x4, is planned to enter the armored combat vehicle fleet, while the Dragon, based on the Ejder Yalçın 4x4, is set to replace several current vehicles and is expected to be purchased in large numbers. Both are Turkish-designed vehicles that will be manufactured in the UK. Unveiled at the DSEI 2025 exhibition in London, these platforms address the need for versatile, rapidly deployable assets that combine high mobility with robust protection and advanced countermeasures. This acquisition aligns with the Strategic Defense Review, prioritizing mobility, protection, and cost efficiency in high-intensity warfare. The Nomad 4x4, also known as NMS 4x4, is being integrated to fill gaps in light tactical operations, offering superior firepower and adaptability for patrols, reconnaissance, and rapid response missions. Similarly, the Dragon, a medium-weight protected mobility vehicle, enhances counter-drone and survivability capabilities for dispersed units and convoys. The Nomad 4x4, also known as NMS 4x4, is a light tactical armored vehicle designed for multi-role operations. Weighing around 10 tons, it features a V-shaped monocoque hull for superior mine resistance, independent suspension for enhanced off-road handling, and a Cummins diesel engine delivering a top speed of 150 km per hour and a range of 700 km at cruising speeds. It provides STANAG Level 2 ballistic protection and Level 3A and 2B mine protection. In addition to the two front seats for the driver and commander, the vehicle can seat 3 people in a second row and 4 more in the rear cabin. Variants include baseline, NMSL, with flatbed for logistics or weapons, and extended wheelbase options, with an electric demonstrator, ENMSL, showcasing future hybrid capabilities. The Dragon, or Ejder Yalçın, is a heavier 14-ton mine-resistant 4x4 platform built for patrol and specialized missions. Powered by a 375-horsepower Cummins diesel engine, it is capable of a top speed of 120 km per hour and an operational range of 700 km. Its V-hull withstands up to 8 kg mines, with scalable armor and configurations supporting up to 11 personnel. It boasts independent suspension, all-terrain mobility, and integration for advanced systems like digital backbones for sensor upgrades. Both vehicles support modular effectors, enabling quick swaps for missions like reconnaissance, air defense, or ambulance duties. Weaponry on the Nomad 4x4 centers around the Tracon 30mm remote-controlled weapon station, armed with the Venom LR cannon capable of firing armor-piercing and high-explosive rounds. It bridges the firepower gap between heavy machine guns and larger autocannons, offering superior lethality without excessive weight. It can also mount 7.62mm or 12.7mm machine guns, 40mm grenade launchers, or anti-tank systems. The Dragon 4x4 supports manual or remote weapon stations, gun loops for left and right-hand operation, and smoke grenade launchers for defensive screening. In its DSEI configuration, it featured a Kongsberg RS-4 remote station and MBDA's Skywarden counter-UAS system for detecting and neutralizing small drones. Additional options include integration of anti-tank missiles or CBRN surveillance tools, making it adaptable for combat, air defense, or reconnaissance roles. With geopolitical tensions rising and lessons from recent conflicts like Ukraine highlighting the need for agile, drone-resistant armor, the UK Ministry of Defence seeks to enhance operational effectiveness. These vehicles are combat-proven through Nurol Makina's extensive operational history. The Dragon, Ejder Yalçın, has seen action in Turkish security operations against terrorism and exports to Hungary, Qatar, and Georgia, where it endured IEDs and ambushes effectively. While the Nomad is a newer platform, it builds on the NMS family's operational success, with early models tested in Qatar's operations, demonstrating reliability in asymmetric warfare. Their performance in real-world scenarios, including mine blasts and urban combat, validates their design for British troops facing similar threats. Compared to similar vehicles like the US JLTV, the French Sherpa Light, or older British platforms such as the Foxhound, the Nomad, and Dragon excel in modularity and logistics efficiency. Their shared components reduce maintenance costs by up to 30%, allowing one platform to handle diverse roles without fleet diversification. The Nomad's lightweight ensures agility akin to unarmored 4x4s, yet with composite armor outperforming heavier rivals in off-road scenarios. Plus, the Nomad's ability to mount a 30mm cannon provides greater standoff firepower than peers typically limited to 12.7mm machine guns, enabling it to engage heavier threats while retaining light vehicle agility and lower logistical footprint. The Dragon's proven mine resistance surpasses many peers, integrating counter-UAS tech natively rather than as add-ons, providing a tactical edge in drone-heavy battles. Both offer better fuel efficiency and lower lifecycle costs than legacy systems, with NATO standard interfaces for seamless allied operations. Both vehicles also emphasize local UK production, offering better supply chain control and customization over imported alternatives, making them more resilient to geopolitical disruptions and cost-effective for sustained operations. This move is part of the broader land mobility program, aimed at replacing over a dozen legacy vehicle types with more versatile, protected platforms. Economically, the acquisition boosts UK industry via localized production at NMS UK's 32,000 square meters facility in Leamington Spa, creating over 100 jobs initially and aiming for over 50% British components. This supports domestic supply chains, reduces import dependency, and could generate exports, stimulating growth in defense manufacturing. Geopolitically, it strengthens UK-Turkey ties within NATO, diversifying suppliers amid global tensions and enhancing interoperability. By adopting proven Turkish tech with UK integration, Britain positions itself as a resilient ally, potentially influencing European procurement trends. In conclusion, acquiring the Nomad 4x4 and Dragon vehicles equips the British Army with cutting-edge mobility for future conflicts. Their blend of protection, versatility, and proven performance addresses modern threats while fostering economic and strategic benefits. As the land mobility program progresses, these platforms will redefine UK land forces, agility, and readiness.